The sun is shining on us today. We got the good stuff coming our way. That sun is shining, it's gonna stay. We've got some good stuff coming our way. Hello! How is everyone tonight? I'm so glad you made it back to the kitchen. I'm Wendy, your kitchen chaos coordinator. Tonight, what's for dinner is called, technically, the technical word for it, technical. Tonight, what's for dinner is chicken marengo. Another fancy dish. No, my friends. Sounds fancy. Look at what we've got. Soup. So, it's an easy recipe. What's in chicken marengo, Wendy? Because it sounds fancy. No. This is not a fancy dish. This is a dish for busy working parents who want to get a chicken dish on the table within 30 minutes. What's in chicken marengo? Obviously, you've got chicken breasts here cut into pieces. A can of sliced mushrooms, a can of golden mushroom soup, a can of tomato soup, and serve it over rice with the vegetable of your choice. Easy. So, go grab your spoon, go grab your chair, come on up, and I'll show you how we make chicken marengo. Here we go. We're gonna get it cooking. So I've got a tablespoon or so of oil in the pan. The pan is nice and warm. It started on high. And then we're just gonna add our chicken. This is 2 chicken breasts that I've just cut, diced into pieces, bite-sized pieces. Let me grab my favorite. Like I said, this meal you can make in 30 minutes. Throw some rice in your rice cooker, dice up your chicken, and while that rice is cooking, you're making this chicken. So easy. Of course, you know, chicken is browning. What do I want to add? Everybody say it with me. Hello, McCormick. I'm your girl. Come on, man. Find your girl on here. We love this stuff. I swear, I use it all the time. Honestly, the Montreal steak has everything you need in it. It's got salt, it's got pepper, it's got garlic, it's got onion. Everything you need. You only need 1 little jar instead of 4 different jars of seasoning. This is so easy. Once you brown this chicken, you're just going to add the soup and the mushrooms, and you're just going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. Once the chicken is done, you are ready to go. Serve it over rice. Find your favorite vegetable. Easy. And as somebody who works all day, gets home, or is busy all darn day, and the kids come running in the door, or hubby comes running in the door, I'm starving. This one is so quick. All right, so let's let this chicken brown up. It's going to be 4 or 5 minutes, and we'll come back. All right, it's been about 7 minutes, and you can see the chicken is getting nice and browned. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat down. I've had it on high this whole time. I'm just going to turn it down to medium now. And now we're going to start adding our other ingredients. What I like to do is just make a hole in the middle. And we'll start with the mushrooms. Now, when I first started making this, the kids were like, oh, mushrooms. We kept the mushrooms out for a long time. That's fine. No worries. Then we have golden mushroom soup. If you've never had this, it is literally a tomato-based soup. It just has more of a savory flavor, and it is delicious. I'm going to add this in. And then we're going to add in the tomato. Make sure we get all the soup out of there. Let Campbell's do the cooking tonight. All we have to do is brown the chicken. You know what I mean? And then we're just going to stir this all together. Get some of those browned bits up off the bottom of the pan. Once you get this mixed well, you'll just let it simmer for about 10 minutes. You just want all the flavors to get nice and commiserated, as Papa would say. You want everything to be nice and mixed well and everything warmed back up. Like I said, maybe 10 minutes. If you're in a real hurry, if you got kids that want to go finish their homework, take back and go to bed, you could probably turn it back up and let it go. But while this was going, the rice was already cooking. So the rice machine has already said rice is done. While it was browning, I found a vegetable. We're going to have some canned peas. That was super easy. You just got to heat those up right now while this is simmering. So let's let this simmer again, 5 to 7 minutes, 10 tops on a medium heat, and then we'll be ready to eat. Everything will be ready. Quick, easy, under 30 minutes. Under 30 minutes. We got it. We got this, man. We got you. You got this. We're about 7 minutes later. We got about 7 minutes later. You see the nice bubble? We're good to go. This is ready to plate up. Remove it from the heat. And we will plate it up and meet you at the table. Exciting. Pantry meal. Less than 30 minutes. Kids are ready to eat. We're hungry. Let's get to the table. Take your chair back around. Well, there we have it. This was a quick meal. Good meal for you guys. Fast, easy, delicious. Savory flavors plus the chicken nice and browned. It's perfect every time. Under 30 minutes, you're in and out of the kitchen, and pretty easy cleanup too. Thank you so much for joining us today. 114 friends. Thank you so much. Please hit subscribe. Subscribe does not cost anything. It doesn't do anything other than tell YouTube you like it here and you want to see more. So please hit subscribe. Please hit like and tell a couple of friends who might want to join our crazy, chaotic content. Much love to you. Enjoy the Zen moment, and we'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye, friends. See you later. Oh, hubby says bye.
Bye.
Hubby says bye.